Hello, welcome to Natori. My name is Gabriella, and I've been fitting for over 10 years. Today we're going to talk about plunge bras, one of Natori's best-selling silhouettes. This is the look of a push-up without the bump in the pad. The deep V is great for low-cut tops or dresses. This bra is so comfortable it can be worn all day long. Here's 3 quick tips to ensure you're wearing the right size. Is your center gore laying flat against your chest? If not, most likely your cup is too small. Is your underwire clearing your breast tissue? If you're feeling any digging in or bulging on the top of the cup, most likely your cup is too small. Your band should be snug and parallel to the floor. We should always be starting on the outer hook. If you're on one of the first hooks, most likely your band is too big. Now I'm going to show you how to measure yourself at home. We're going to start with your band size. You're going to place the measuring tape directly under your bust line with a tight squeeze and your arms down. For the cup size, you're going to hold the tape loosely around the fullest part of your bust with your arms down. Be sure to check out our fit guide.